Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the original Samsung Galaxy card slot case. The card slot case cover is made of thermoplastic polyurethane. This makes the Samsung Galaxy A34 case light and flexible. The Samsung protective case has precise cutouts for all ports. It has a special compartment for cards or documents. The pocket is built into the case. This means that, unlike other solutions of this type, it will not detach. We first insert the upper part into the cover, and then the lower part by gently pressing the phone. As you can see, all the cutouts are perfect, and the volume buttons work okay. To remove the phone from the case, gently press the bottom corners of the case. The case is fixed on the phone and does not come off easily. When you put the card in the case, you must insert it on the two side guides. This cover has a nice appearance. The material is light and offers quite good protection. Together with the glass film to protect the phone, I recommend it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.